welcome back to my channel. This is an updated resort property tour of the Rio Las Vegas with the new additions they have and some of the new remodels. So I hope you enjoy it. Right when you come into the lobby, it's all new lobby area with kiosks and the regular lines. And this is new, the Lapa Lounge. They do have nightly entertainment. Sometimes, I think it's Thursday through Sunday. So that's cool. I am filming this on WrestleMania weekend. I'm here with my son. They have all the newest games. My son won the $250 major yesterday on that. Here is their sports book. It's a pretty good size. Also, if you need late night food, they are open till midnight, the sports bar. You know, it's very interesting. They're not even showing WrestleMania over here. They're showing you in another area. And there's a bar over here. Over here is the canteen food hall. My top recommendations over here is Tender Crush and Tony Luke's. I think those are the best, but all the food here is really pretty good, and I think it's reasonably priced. It's not overly expensive. And if you want, you can order at a kiosk. I believe it's called Luckily, and it's very interesting, very music themed, basically kind of a diner, a little more upscale diner, pretty good. On this side, as you go towards the elevators, you have a Starbucks and Korean barbecue over here. And this is where the guest elevators are at, for the Ipanema Tower. Over here is some old school slot machines and Guy Fieri's restaurant. And they are showing wrestling up there. And let's go take a look at the pool. Hatch House A Go-Go is all the way down here. If you are a Hyatt customer, you do get free breakfast at the Hatch House A Go-Go, but I think it's a limited menu. It's not open. I don't know if it's not open or if it closed already. Let's check the hours. And this is Penn and Teller Theaters down here. Penn and Teller there. That's all that's over here. And so many slots. And all your table games are right here in the middle. So the pools are open, but this one isn't open yet. But I think this is supposed to be kind of like a beach one with the waterfall going when it's open. They just redid this, I believe, like a year ago. They had it open. So you have your bar over here. Get some refreshments. Lots of kids in here. So they don't have all the pools open yet, probably, because it just opened. The restrooms are over there. They have an area for a DJ or band. This looks like it might be an adult-only pool. That's nice. So there are cabana rentals over here. I believe they're very low cost. They have a bar over here. I'm guessing this will be the adult-only pool. And there is a hot tub under the grotto. It would be nice to see the waterfall back on. I wonder if it'll come back. We'll take a look inside of one of the little cabanas. Let's see one that's empty. Here's one that's empty. We'll go over here. So if you get a cabana, you get some chairs, refrigerator, towels, TV. Not bad. Very pretty, nice out here.
10 years. That'll be the next time I come back. The last time I was here.
All right, so this is new here. Starting May the 4th, the Empire Strikes Back is going to be here. And they are taking over the old Chippendales. And I will be seeing this on July 28th. I think it's very interesting and very cool. And we still have Smashburger over here. And Puzzles is over here. But up here, there's not that much going on because they are in the process of remodeling everything. And over here, we have the Kiss Mini Golf. Just still here. And there's an arcade. And Voodoo Steak. They did take all the slot machines out from this area. I'm imagining they're going to remodel all this and put new carpet in because they still have the old carpet over here. But in the meantime, they have just been having events. As you can see, WrestleMania right now is going on. Over here, they have reopened their wine cellar tasting room. I really like to try that out sometime. And you guys will get a little glimpse. This is their watch party area. We're gonna actually watch WrestleMania. This is night one. And this is free unless you get one of the couches, and those cost $200. But otherwise, you can just be in this area for free. So that's pretty good. They have 3 screens, so I think that's pretty nice. And this is where the Masquerade Tower is, and you go up that way. There is a few little gift shops over here. And this is the Masquerade Bar. I've never seen it this busy, but that's cool too. Look, they're gonna wrestle. All right, here we go. And over here is the Wow Vegas show. But they do have brand new carpet, as you can see, and a whole lot more slot machines than they had before, even though they took them out in the other area. You have your high limit area over here, and your rewards desk over here. And over there is the entrance to the pool and where the comedy cellar is. That was a walkthrough tour of the Rio Las Vegas. If you like this video, please thumbs it up and subscribe. And until next time.